Hey everyone, if you are a startup founder, a solopreneur, or a digital creator in 2025 wondering, is WordPress still worth using? The answer is absolutely yes. In this video, I am breaking down exactly why WordPress is still the smartest platform for startups, even with all the shiny new no-code tools, AI site builders, and drag and drop platforms out there. Let us get into it. So, first, ownership and freedom. WordPress is open source. That means you will own everything: the code, the content, the data. Unlike platforms like Wix, Shopify, or Webflow, where you are renting space on their system, with WordPress, you are in full control. You can move hosts, customize anything, and you are not stuck with the limited features unless you upgrade to a higher plan. This is especially important for startups who need long term flexibility and hate vendor lock ins. Reason number two is that it is affordable. Startups need to move fast without spending lakhs of rupees upfront. With WordPress, you can launch with free or low cost themes, free essential plugins, and shared hosting that cost less than a Netflix subscription per month. So, if you need more features later, you can always scale when you grow. It is the perfect lean solution for MVPs or early stage product launches. And reason number three is that it scales with you. Start small and grow big. WordPress can handle a simple landing page, or it can also grow into a multi user blog, a full blown e commerce store, or a membership platform. If you want to turn it into a client portal or an LMS or even a custom directory, you can do these things with plugins like WooCommerce, MemberPress, LearnDash, ACF plus CPT UI. The possibilities here are completely endless. Reason number four is it is a plugin powerhouse. So there are over 60,000 plugins in the WordPress ecosystem. That means you do not have to reinvent the wheel again. If you need, say, SEO optimization, you can use Rank Math or Yoast. If you need forms, you can try WP Forms or Fluent Forms. If you need analytics, go with Monster Insights. Need AI writing or chatbots, go with Bartha AI or chat-based integration. And most of them are either free or freemium. It is perfect for testing without breaking the bank. And reason number five is SEO and speed ready. Let us face it, if your startup cannot be found on Google, it might as well not exist. WordPress is SEO friendly right out of the box. Plus, it works great with tools like your Rank Math for structured data, WP Rocket or Lightspeed Cache for page speed, image optimizers like Short Pixel or WebP support. So, your site would load fast, it will look great, and it will rank well, which is critical in 2025. Reason number six is that it is modern, AI ready, and it is getting smarter by the day. In 2025, WordPress isn't stuck in the past. The new Gutenberg block editor lets you build pages without any third party builders. Clean, fast, and modern. And AI is now built right in the plugins like Bartha AI for blog and SEO, ChatGPT integration for writing, FAQ generation, and chatbot responses as well. AI image generation from within the editor. Your content creation process just got 10 times faster. And reason number seven is that there is a huge global community. If you need any help, there is a massive global WordPress community. Thousands of freelancers, agencies, tutorials, forums, and support groups are there. So, if you're hiring a WordPress developer, it is very fast. It is cheap than hiring someone for a closed source platform. That means faster turnaround and better ROI for your startup. So, let us recap. It is open source and owned by you. Second, it is budget friendly. Third, it is scalable and flexible. Fourth, it is AI ready and modern. Fifth, is it is SEO optimized. Sixth, it is backed by 60,000 plus plugins. And seventh is that it is supported by a global ecosystem. For startups in 2025, WordPress is not just relevant, it is a weapon. If you want to move fast and stay lean and build something great, WordPress is still the best choice. If this helped you, give it a like and subscribe for more startup focused tech tutorials, no code tools, and WordPress tips. Thank you.